Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unblock someone in Google Chat. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to chat.google.com. Once you're there, log in using your Google account credentials to access your chat interface. After you've logged in successfully, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find a gear icon. This is your settings button. Go ahead and click on it to open up your Google Chat settings menu. This is where you can manage all your chat preferences and controls. Once you click the gear icon, the settings panel will appear on your screen. This gives you access to various customization options for your chat experience, including privacy controls and restrictions. Now, look at the left side of the settings panel. You'll see several menu options listed vertically. Find and click on Access Restrictions. This section is specifically designed to help you manage who can and cannot contact you, making it the control center for your chat privacy settings. Within the Access Restrictions section, you'll notice an area labeled Blocked Users. This is where Google Chat keeps track of all the people you've blocked from contacting you. It's a centralized list that makes managing your blocked contacts simple and straightforward. Click on Manage Blocked Users to view the full list. This action will open up a detailed view showing all the users you've currently blocked. Each blocked contact will be displayed with their name and profile information, making it easy to identify who you've restricted. Now comes the easy part. To unblock someone, simply locate their name in the list and click the X button that appears beside it. This immediately removes them from your blocked list and restores their ability to send you messages and interact with you in Google Chat. And that's it. You've successfully unblocked someone in Google Chat and they can now contact you again. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.